What is going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the time bar you see on the screen right now. Basically, for any of your social media videos, it doesn't matter if it's a YouTube video or Instagram video, TikTok video, or what have you. So make sure to stay tuned and let's get this party started, y'all. This is just a video from my Instagram fitness page. You can use whatever video you want. It could be a vertical video, a horizontal video for YouTube, or just any kind of video. The next thing you want to do is you want to go over to titles over here. You click on that and then you get to choose between titles and generators. So you want to go into generators and then look for solids. Down here, solids, and then you can pick just custom or white. You can just pick whatever you want, honestly. But I would usually just pick a custom and just place it here. And then you drag it till it's resized to the same size as your clip, basically. And then once you have that resized, next thing you're gonna want to do is change the color to whatever you want your time bar to look like. So I would just go with gold in this case, or yellow, because I don't have gold and I don't want to search up the hex. I don't want to put the hex code in right now, so we're just gonna go with yellow. Next thing you want to do after this is you want to resize this. By the way, if you do not have this section of your Final Cut Pro X open, which is the inspector tab, you want to go over to Windows over here, or window, make sure you have Final Cut open, and then choose window over here, go to show and workspace, and then go down to inspector. Make sure this is checked. So if this is checked, then you have this. Next thing you want to do is you want to click on this little icon here, show the video inspector, basically. And once you have this open, you have a bunch of tools you can work with. We're going to be working with the crop tool, basically. That's all we're going to be working with. So you want to crop this from the top, you bring it downwards. As you can see right now, you have your time bar basically being shaped out. So you just want to have it right around there. You can make it however you want. You can make it as tall as you want or as thin as you want. It's up to you, but I would usually just put it right around here. So once you have this cropped, the next thing you want to do is you want to activate the time bar. Usually what I would do is I would just duplicate the time bar first. I duplicate this by holding down Alt Option on Mac and then just grabbing this and pulling it up. You see how it duplicates right there? So that's all you got to do to duplicate it. You hold down Alt Option, you grab the clip, and you just pull it, side up, wherever you want it to duplicate. And then now I have this new one here, and I'm going to change this to a different color. So I have, like the background layer of my time bar. You can do this without this layer. I'll show you guys at the end of this tutorial how that works. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change the background color of the time bar. So this color right here, we're going to change from gold to, something more neutral. So something kind of gray, I'm just going to go on this tab, the silver tab right here, and choose something more gray. So something maybe deeper gray right there, and choose that. And then I'm going to pull this and put it above, up top above this. So we have this in the background. Or you could change the other color in reverse. Basically, now we have our time bar and our background time bar. Now we have to animate our time bar. In order to do that, we're going to use keyframes. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your timestamp or your time marker at the start of your timeline, and then you go over to the tools option again, the video inspector. And as you can see, we're going to be working with the transform tab this time, and we're only going to animate this little tab right here, the gold tab or the yellow tab in this case. And in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to set a keyframe at the start of the frame, and then head over to the end of the frame and set another keyframe. Just all you got to do is tap this little add a keyframe, little triangle over here to add keyframes. So you tap that as well, and then you animate it. So once you have those two keyframes set, you basically pull your X in whatever direction you want your time bar to animate. So obviously I would want my time bar to animate from the right side towards the left, as you can see right there. So you basically pull it back until it's just off the screen right there, just till however much you want it to animate till. So basically right there is where I want mine to animate till at the end of the video. So that's it right there. You can have it, and then basically I'm going to show you guys how this works right now. So this is basically my time bar. Pretty easy, pretty simple, nothing difficult, nothing crazy. I have my gray background in there as well. One last thing I'm going to show you guys is how to turn off basically the gray bar, because some of you guys might just want something like a thinner gold line and also want to mute this color. So you just have to click on this gray solid color and then tap the letter V deactivates a tab, or you can just delete it. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. If you just want to see how it looks like, you can just switch between both. And then you can also reduce the size of this if you want some more by cropping it from the top like so, as you can see right there. So it depends on what you're looking for, and that's a cleaner version. version. That's basically just a cleaner version of a time bar. It's super easy. If you're looking for some time bars, some stylish packs that you can use on your social media videos, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever it is, whatever kind of content you're creating, make sure to check out one of my 6 packs. The Borders time bar pack. I also have the Shapes time bar pack and a bunch of others basically. So make sure to go ahead and check out the store link, which will be in the description. So if you don't want to, you know, always have to do this every time you make a video, then you can go ahead and grab one of those packs. If you made it to this point of the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new to it. I'm going to be dropping a lot more of these, you know, tips and tutorials and how to, you know, get your creator game up to par with most people or most creators out there. If you're looking for more tutorial videos, for example, like the one on the screen right now, make sure to click the video on the screen, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Midas is out.